Hey y'all, happy Friday. I hope y'all are doing well because today I have a special treat for you all. I had a sudden urge to harvest some potatoes. And so I went out there and I decided to see what I can get. As you can see from this video, them potatoes were not completely died off. They still have some green to them. They could have grown a little bit longer. But when you have that certain urge to do something, baby, nothing can stop you from doing what you want to do. So this is my garden, and I did a harvest of purple potatoes, and I am happy with what I got. I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you follow me. And as always, happy gardening, my friend.